If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. And now for those who are curious about this room, it's 10195. Alright, so welcome again you all. This is Mr. Bucket List here, once again doing another tour of one of my rooms. This time we're on the MSC Memorabilia. Let's start with the bathroom. So at the bathroom, now I'm used to having a solo cabin, so this is actually pretty big for me. But this is for two people, it might be a little bit tight, but either way, not bad. That's me, by the way. So you got a stand-up shower, not bad at all. In there, of course, you have both shampoo and shower gel. It looks like my shampoo is empty, so that may be a problem, but either way, it's there. Now, one thing they said that Europeans don't do, and I don't think it's true, because I see it right here. They said European lines usually don't have washcloths, but I see something in there. So yeah, that's your bathroom, your toilet, all that stuff. Now, as we keep on going, you got some coat racks here, so if you want to hang your suit jacket or coat, whatever, it's there. And then next you got your temperature control. Now this is not going to work unless you have your key card in here. Now this key card is not like Norwegian. You can't put any card in there, it's not going to work. It has to be this one with this barcode. You put it in there and bang, that's it. Now the next thing that's pretty cool, and I didn't realize I had it until I booked the cabin. Well, I actually walked in here with this couch. So again, it's just me. I'm used to having half the space for my room, so it's really cool to have that. All right, so this is my second time actually doing the closet. Last time I was just such in a rush to get and explore the ship, I didn't show it all. But let's do it. So first you have, of course, your left side here. Pretty good space. You got hangers, so if you need to hang anything, pretty cool. Little things that you want to put some shoes, something there, stuff down there. So really good size. Even got this bar here. I'm not really sure what this is for, but I've got that there as well. And then if you go to the second side, so this side's pretty good as well. It's got really big cubby spaces. I mean, you can put like little bags there if you want to. You see, I got this all loaded up. So 3 different cubbies at the top. You got a safe that works really well. And then you got these drawers here. So you got one right there, one right there, nice and deep. And then another spot to put your shoes or something like that. So altogether, the closet size is great. For one person, it's way more than enough. For two, I think it's just right. Alright, and then right in front of us you have a mini bar, which I'm not going to use because I don't want to pay for it. But your mini bar right there, it should be already stocked if I'm not mistaken. And it is. So it's already stocked, so if you don't want to go and grab drinks, you can do it there, but you're going to pay for it. And then you got your desk up here. And it also comes with a chair. So you literally, once my laptop does come with my bags and stuff, I'll definitely have that all set up and be ready to go. And then you got your TV. This TV, if I'm not mistaken, this is probably a 32-inch. So not bad at all. And then let's keep rolling. So you got your bed. This is a queen size bed. It has cubbies on the side again, pretty cool. Only thing is, I don't see any outlets. So I don't understand why they would have this perfect spot for your phone or whatever the case may be with no outlets. That makes 0 sense, but we'll check the other side and see if it does. To be honest, I only see literally, man, I only see one outlet in this room, so I apologize if I have to circle back around, but let me go over here. So the only outlet I've seen so far in this room is this one right here. That's it. Oh, that one, and then you got the European outlets, and then you got the USB. So technically, if you don't have the right adapters, you're gonna have 2 to 3 outlets for this entire room. Ridiculous. Thankfully, I have surge protectors and all that stuff in my luggage, so whatever. And then the last thing is the balcony. And to open, it has to be in this position right here. If it's down, it's not going to open. But if it's like this, it's strange, it's going to open. Alright, so one last view of the actual balcony I have. I apologize about the clothes I have drying out from the pool and stuff. But I put my camera in super view so you all can see it. It is fairly big. So it's one of these corner ones, well, almost in the corner. So you get like, instead of just a straight line like everybody else, you get a slant. So it gives you more space. So for example, I'm at the very end, and then look. Now if you see everybody else's, like I said, theirs is just all straight, so it doesn't come out as far as mine, but Launch comes out far, and then the person beside me, same thing. So pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright. So I didn't think I was gonna have less time than I usually spent in my other rooms, but apparently I will. So yeah, that's it. So this is a final pan of the actual room itself. Like I said, it's really clean. You can tell this ship is newer. Everything is nice. It doesn't look outdated like I've seen in other videos and like on other cruises I've been on. This one is really, really nice. So I hope you all enjoyed this quick tour of my room. If you want to see more about this ship, I have a lot more videos coming, including a full documentary, a review, and also a full ship tour, and then some other things like the food and the thermal suite, just everything you can think of. So definitely, if you enjoyed it, subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this. Until then, I'll see you next time. It's your boy, Mr. Bucket List. Peace out.